I just flipped the switch. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Welcome to our video about Malaysia, a country that is rich in history, culture and natural beauty. Located in South Asia, Malaysia is a melting pot of ethnicities, religions, and languages. In this video, we will take a closer look at what makes Malaysia such a unique and fascinating country. History and culture of Malaysia. Malaysia has a rich and diverse history that can be attributed to its location as a cultural crossroads. Over the centuries, Malaysia has been influenced by China, India, and Western cultures, as well as Malay culture. The country's official religion is Islam, but there is a significant minority of other religions, including Buddhism, Hinduism, and Christianity. Malaysia culture heritage is celebrated through art, music, and dance, each of which showcase the various influences that have shaped the country over time. Natural beauty. Malaysia's natural beauty is stunning, with lush rainforests, beautiful beaches, and stunning mountain ranges. The country has several national parks that are home to amazing wildlife, including tigers and elephants. The beaches of Malaysia are world renowned and often clean blue waters, perfect for swimming and snorkeling. Additionally, Malaysia is home of the highest mountains in South Asia. Cuisine. Malaysia cuisine is a delicious blend of Malay, Chinese, and Indian influences. Malaysia food is known for its vibrant flavors and use of spices, and it offers something for everyone, from street food to fine dining. Some of the country's most popular dishes included nasi lemak, a fragrant iced rice, satay, skewered meat cooked over an open flame, and laksa. Economy. Malaysia's economy has been growing steadily over the years, driven by manufacturing and services sectors. The country is known for its exports of electronic goods, petroleum products, and palm oils, among other things. Malaysia has also developed a thriving tourism industry thanks to its natural beauty and culture.